Think you know what's lurking underground? These caves will blow your mind. Number 10, Sun Dung in Vietnam, big enough for a skyscraper. Number 9, Eerie Fingals Cave in Scotland, hexagon rocks. 8, glowing Waitomo Caves in New Zealand. 7, Mexico's Crystal Cave filled with giant crystals. 6, the Ice Caves of Iceland, shimmering blue ice. 5, Mammoth Cave in the US, the world's longest. 4, Puerto Princesas underground river in the Philippines. 3, Cave of Swallows, a massive vertical drop. 2, Devil's Den, an eerie submerged wonder. And number 1, Krubera Cave, the world's deepest hiding secrets no one's seen. Subscribe to the channel, like, and watch to the end, because the last cave hides amazing secrets. Hit subscribe for more wild discoveries.